Hello, welcome to the Python training. Today, we are studying about Python input-output basics. What is input and output operation? Input operation means reading the data or value from the user. Output operation is printing the data at a command prompt. Python uses functions to perform IO operation. First function is input function. This function is used to accept input value from the user. It is similar to the scanf function in C language. Print function is used to print the output. It is similar to printf function in C++. Now, let us see the example. For example, so we have where I have a program to explain you how these input-output functions will work in Python. Accept EMP number, employee name, and salary values from the user and print all the employee details. So here, first what I'm doing, I'm accepting employee number. And then I'm accepting employee name. And then I'm accepting the salary. To accept any input value, so we are using here input function. After user inputs the value, values will be stored in the variable. Later, we are printing the output. Later, we are printing the output. Later, we are printing the output value. So now, let me execute this program and we will see the output. Employee number, so I'm typing a number. Employee name, yes, I'm typing Sanjay. So salary, I'm typing 25,000. Whatever values I'm typing, it will be stored in the variable, and later we are printing that value as output. You can also see we have used here int and float function. What is this int and float? Int and float are called conversion functions. By default, the value we input using the input function is of the type string. So to convert the value to a respective data type, like to integer or to float, so we need to use the conversion functions like int or float along with the input function. Thank you.